All right, now on ASM, we're going to talk about using the clipboard, which sounds kind of crazy to record a video about that, but we got some really cool things baked into ASM. So first off, if you go under Options and to Preferences, you can, under here, Clipboard History, you can turn it off if you don't want to have that. You can dictate how many things are shown in your lists, and how many will remember, and how many characters wide. I'll even change this to 100 to make an example. So when I come up here under Clipboard, this is the width, how many characters it's going to show you. If there is a line return, it'll put in these paragraph marks. So each one of these is a separate thing, and each one of these is something I had recently on my clipboard. So it's a quick, easy way to have a clipboard history, and I can go back and search more, and it'll come up with search and see if I ever had dog. I don't know. So you can also turn on fuzzy matching, which is really cool. I can delete stuff from here if I don't want it in there, which is great. A couple other really, really cool things that I think. So here, I can choose this. What this does is it takes the file, pushes it to the clipboard, and allows me now to paste it. Like I could go to this folder here, and I can paste, and it took that file and pasted it, which is kind of funny because that's a segment turn, but anyway, I'm going to delete it. But you get the idea, right? Sometimes you want to give that file to someone or move it somewhere. I don't want to have to go navigate to Explorer to copy the file and paste it. Why don't I just have an option to push it to the clipboard, right? So that's really cool. The other option, which I did show before, but I think it's under Run here, because it's very related, is the pack up this script into Clipboard. And I think actually I'll have Ruffian put this also under. It should be under here as well, right? Because it's clipboard related. But it is definitely here as well, so you can, if you have includes, this will take the whole thing, concatenate it all together, and push it to your clipboard so you can go paste it somewhere. Now, the other really kind of crazy thing I just thought of the other day is, let's say I'm in Explorer, and I have, I don't know, Facebook or something open. If I go drag files from Explorer, let's say I'm going to drag Transcriber to here, and I let go, wouldn't it be kind of cool if we had that path pushed into the clipboard? Now, this isn't something that normally happens, right? Just because I dragged a file from Explorer somewhere, it's not normally. Let me grab another. Here's one with tags, whatever. Here we go. We'll do the settings. So I'm going to drag this. I'm going to copy it to my desktop. Now here in Clipboard, there's that settings file, so I can kind of see where that file came from, which to me was a really cool functionality of, like, after I drag a file, how do I know where that file came from, right? So this way I can select it, I can get it, I can click here, and it will send that text wherever my cursor was. So it was putting them all on the top here. So because this is inside ASM, it just dumps it right where your cursor is in ASM. So now I have the path to that file that I dragged. And we do have a different tool. I think it's called Ninja something, Ninja Path Ninja, that also makes it where it doesn't have to be tied to ASM. But I thought that's a really cool thing built into ASM. So check it out. Cheers.